Hello. Every year, students passing out of class 12th compete to secure admissions to top colleges and universities of the country. In recent times, exams like IPM-AT and CUET UG have emerged as the key to unlock such great opportunities. At CH EdgeMakers, we have been privileged to train thousands of students achieve their dreams by excelling in such competitive exams. Today, I am thrilled to announce our national level scholarship test, which will be conducted over the next 2 months in various cities. This scholarship test presents an opportunity for students to earn merit waivers at CH EdgeMakers. What more? The top performers stand a chance to secure 100% fee waiver at CH EdgeMakers. For details of this scholarship test, you can visit our website or simply scan this QR code that will take you to a dedicated page for this scholarship test. Prepare well and earn best scholarships. All the best, my dear friends.